Hi, I'm Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies. I had a query this morning about the HCG process. As you know, I love it. I truly love it. I've been using it in my clinic for about 12 years with exceptional success when people do it correctly. So this particular woman is talking about the fact that on the first day she lost 2 kilos, second day 1.5 kilos, third day 1 kilo, and then she's down to about 0.2 of a kilo, so around 200 grams a day. Now, if you think about what's really going on in that first few days, we're taking all those big inflammatory foods out of our diet. We're not getting the breads, we're not getting heaps of dairy, we're not getting the milky coffees, we're not getting oodles of sugar. So a huge amount of the inflammatory foods are gone from the diet. And then we're adding in the HCG, which stimulates brown fat release, and we're doing the 500 calorie diet. So basically what we're doing is stimulating your survival patterns to really start releasing that brown fat out into the bloodstream so that your body can actually use it as energy. So the amazing thing about HCG is if you do it correctly, you're actually eliminating fat cells. Don't care if it's 200 grams a day. That's 200 grams of fat that's gone. Normally, if you lose that much weight, it might be sweat, it might be lack of water, dehydration, that sort of thing. But when you're doing HCG, it's actual fat loss. As your weight goes down, you're eliminating, reducing, and using up those fat cells. They're gone forever if you do the process correctly. Keep it up, keep up the good work. I would love to hear your results. Talk soon. Bye.